In this video I'm going to show you how to download the Telegram app on your PC or laptop. So the first step is of course to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That would really help us. After that, go to the search bar and then search for the Microsoft Store. Once you have found it, select it and make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account, otherwise you are not able to download any apps. Now go to the search bar and there we will search for Telegram. And as soon as you have found the Telegram app, you can click on it. Now select it and here you can download the Telegram app. After you have clicked this button, the app will be downloaded on your PC and you are able to create a new Telegram account or log into your existing Telegram account by following their steps. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!